How to add a custom thank you page in Tally.so. In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom thank you page in Tally.so. So to get started, go ahead and open Tally and then go ahead and head over into that specific form where you want to add a custom thank you page. So click on edit at the top right of that form, and then from here, you'll need to go ahead and click on this gear icon, which you'll find beside the customize button. So click on settings, and then from here, head over into the redirect on completion tab, and then make sure to enable it, and then go ahead and place the URL of that specific thank you page that you have customized for this specific form. So once the user submits the form, they get redirected into the custom thank you page that you have created. And that is how you can basically add a custom thank you page in Tally.so. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.